The Omega cn9412 is a dual display Autotune temperature controller used in a wide array of applications. These controllers provide proportional control along with integral and derivative control, or PID. This controller combines proportional control with two additional adjustments, which help the unit automatically compensate for changes in the system. This type of controller is recommended in systems where the load changes often, and the controller is expected to compensate automatically due to frequent changes in setpoint. The amount of energy available, or the mass to be controlled. This unit was completely dead when it arrived. After completely repairing the fault and rebuilding the rest of the unit, we inject a simulated thermocouple temperature into the unit and verify the result at the controller. We also test the relay output to make sure it reaches the set point temperature. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.